This is Ivan. It's time for Dollar General's 5 off 25 any day deals, guys. Yes, we have one Monday through Friday, and that's the one we're going to do today. Let's go. We're going to start our 5 off 25 in the oral care aisle and the deodorant aisle. So here we go. Pick up 2 Max Fresh at $3.25. Let me show you exactly where you're going to get that from, because someone told me they didn't have this. That is the Max Fresh right there, guys. And look, gone. $3.25. It is a $4 off 2 coupon. Then you're gonna pick up 3 of these Crest 3D whites. It is a $5 coupon. And then I picked the last of the 2 of the Axes at $5.75. You're gonna pick up 2 of those. You're going to come right down here to the trial sizes, and you're going to pick up 1 of the Crest Scope mouthwashes on the trial section for $1. It is a $1 off coupon, making that completely free. You should have 2 Colgate Max Fresh, 3 Crest 3D whites, 2 Axe at $5.75, and 1 Scope toothpaste. So we're going to scan that so you can see every one of them and see the coupons for them, okay? Get right to our Dollar General app. Okay, we're on our Dollar General app. We're going to find, there is our 5 off 25 Monday through Friday deal right there. Now we're going to scan our Max Fresh. It's $3.25. A $4 off coupon, making one of those Max Fresh completely free. Then we're going to scan our Crest. Our Crest is at $3. We have 2 coupons. The 1 coupon we're going to concentrate on is this one. Right here is $5 off of 3. Then you're going to scan your Axe deodorant at $5.75, and it is a $7 off of 2 that expires 9/6. Then scan your trial mouthwash. It's at $1. $1 coupon, making that completely free. We are already in this deal, guys. We have 1, 2, 3 freebies in here. So let's do the math. Okay, the Max Freshes are $3.25 each. The 1 Scope mouthwash is $1. It's $5.75 for each Axe deodorant. And then these are $3 each, 3, 6, $9. So you're going to put $9 in. Take you to $28. Take your 5 off 25. Take your 5 off the Crest 3D white. Take your 4 off the Colgate Max Fresh. Take your 1 off of the Scope. Take your 7 off the Axe. Leave you at $6. Divide that by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products. You're paying 75 cents each. Guys, this is 75 cents right here. 75 cents. If you can come in the store and get all of this for 3 items in here for free, 1, 2, 3, and then the whole set is $6 by itself, this is $5.75. This is 25 cents more than what this deodorant is. That's an awesome deal. Do not miss out on these deals this week. Dollar General is hot. Hey guys, let's get to this deal right here. Now this time it involves picking up 3 freebies. 3 Crest 3D white, $1 coupon is attaching. Scope, we already saw that the $1 coupon is attaching. Then we have the Febreze plug-in warmer at $3.50. It's a $3.50 coupon attaching. Now, on some of these freebies, guys, they might charge tax on it, okay? If they charge tax, it'll be whatever your tax is in your county. Mine is 9%, so I will pay 9 cents each for each one of these if that's what they were doing. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it don't. This Tide 31 count at $9.95 is a $2 Dollar General coupon. That means we need to cover that $2. And then we're going to pick up 2 Axes at $5.75. It's a $7 coupon. So we're going to look at this and this, okay? And the Tide. Okay, the Tide right here. The Tide is $9.95, and we have 1 coupon for $2 off, but it is a Dollar General coupon, so we know with Dollar General we must cover that coupon, right? Now we're going to scan the Febreze plug-in. Is $3.30. You have a $3.30 coupon. Again, it might give you the taxes and make you pay them. Okay, guys. Now I forgot to tell you, pick up the Crest off the dollar aisle with this yellow script on it, okay? And it is $1, and that $1 off Crest coupon attaches to it. Now let's do the math. Okay, the Tide is $9.95. The 2 axes are $5.75 each. You're gonna pay $3.30 for the warmer. Then you're gonna pay $1 for the mouthwash and $1 for the Crest toothpaste. Now it leaves you to $26.75. Buy something for 25 cents. Take you to $27 evenly, right? Now, what do we know? That Dollar General 5 off 25 coupon and the $2 Dollar General coupon for the Tide, they will not stack. So that's why we went over by $2. The first thing that's going to happen, that $2 coupon for the Tide is going to come off. It's going to take you to $25 evenly. Then your 5 off 25, your 1 off the mouthwash, your 1 off the toothpaste, your 7 off of the Axe, and your $3.30 off of the warmer. It's going to take you to $7.70. Divide that by 6 products, $1.28. Baby, I sell bundles. If I can pay $1.28 for this and turn around and sell in a bundle for $25, $30, $45, I'm good. If I can even sell this for $5, I made my money back. So that's what we need to understand, how you're going to make your money back with these coupons, okay? Okay, guys, let's do this deal right here. We're going to pick up 1 Gain Relax. I'm in 32 super size. We're going to scan it. Okay. And then we're going to pick up the 2 Max Fresh at $3.25. These 2 for $1 each, off the dollar out in the trial set. This Axe, 2 of these for $5.75 and 1 for Breeze Plug for $3.30 with a free coupon, okay? Might charge you taxes. Let me make sure I keep saying that, because someone thought they should let me know that. And I appreciate you, okay? All right, it's $15.95. It is a couple of coupons. We're looking at the one that's $3 off. Now, if that's $3 off, we're paying what? That is a Dollar General coupon. We need to cover it, okay? So here we go. Let's do this. $15.95 plus $1 plus $1 plus $3.25 for each mouth toothpaste plus $5.75 and plus $3.30. $39.25. That is a lot. So the first thing that's going to come off is this $3 Dollar General coupon. Then what it take you to? $36.25. So now you can do your 5 off 25, your 1 off the mouthwash, 1 off the toothpaste, 4 off the Colgate, 7 off the Axe, and $3.30 off the warmer. Leave you at $14.95. First of all, the entire deal is $1 less than what this Gain is by itself. So that's a good deal in its own. We have 8 products. You want to divide that by 8. You're going to pay $1.86. This is $1.86 for 32. Trust me, guys, if you grab this and you sell it by itself, just by itself, you can sell this by itself for $10 and make your money back double the time of what you paid for it, all right? Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, share out this coupon cap, and we will be doing some more 5 off 25s on Thursday. Bye.